in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Yas Grl. This is one of their newer units, and this can't be the name of her, so I'm gonna say the description of her says HD lace, short, kinky, curly wig, human hair, glueless wig, and she's in 8 inches. The cap construction for this unit does come with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front. It also has adjustable straps and a pre-attached elastic band. This is a side part unit with the part sitting on the left side in a semi C shape. There's not a lot of pairs sitting at the front of the unit, so don't expect to go crazy with plucking. Just from looking at the construction of the unit, it does look like it's going to be very beginner friendly. The curls on this unit look really defined and fluffy. Keep in mind that I did shampoo and condition this unit, and then I also let it air dry overnight, something I tend to do with a lot of my units, but the curls look the exact same way they looked as how when I pulled the unit out of the package. I don't know why I couldn't get that out. But enough of me talking, let's go ahead and put her on, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts about this unit.
About it. Say that shit to my face, you know I'm gon' slide about it. Put that bitch in her place, she ain't make no peep about it. Oh, feel like a billion. Oh, feel like I might be like a I just live in my nose. Passionate kindness can't fold. I got no reason to depend on you. No reason to make friends, I'm cold.
Let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Yas Grl. I'm not gonna lie, when I first put this unit on, I was just kind of like, and I even called my sister on FaceTime, and she told me that it was giving, I just did the big chop and now I don't know what to do with my hair. Now at first I was in agreement with my sister, but you know, once I added the defined part, fluffed her out a little bit, I feel like it did a complete 180. Really quick before we go any further into the video, I want to apologize about the lighting going in and out. The clouds are like playing tag with the sun, so yeah. Now, like I stated earlier, the curls on this unit are super fluffy and defined, but I did go in with my Nairobi Rapid Shine foaming lotion and put that towards the front of the unit, and that's because it started to frizz up whenever I was trying to create a defined part. At first, I wasn't going to do a defined part. I was just gonna go with like a little fluffy afro, but then I was like, no, I feel like a defined part with a little tuck behind the ear will make it look more put together. I didn't speak about the density earlier in the video, but I would say she's about a 150 density, I'm gonna guess. She's super light, but of course she's not thick. I mean, granted, she is only an 8-inch unit, so don't expect her to keep you like super warm in the fall and winter times, but I will say I feel like she'd be really cute with a hat. As far as tangling and shedding is concerned, I'm really not getting either one, so that's always a plus. As far as this unit being big head friendly, I would say that she is big head friendly. She's fitting really nice and comfortably on my head, and yes, my hair is out a little bit on the sides, but granted, at the same time, I also do have the unit tucked behind my ear. Now, could I possibly pull out some hair and create like a little swoop sideburn here on the side? Yes, but I just don't really feel like it's really necessary with this unit. I don't think I mentioned this earlier either, but Yas Grl Grl is a company that's on Amazon, and currently this unit is retailing for $94.90. I feel like that's a really fair price for this unit, seeing as how it's so beginner friendly. Literally all you have to do is cut off the lace, define the part, put some powder in the part, and then throw her on and you're good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Of course, I'll have a direct link to her down below, so make sure you check the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at @Dotson. I don't have anything else to say. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.